This is the website of Oscar Zulu 9 Alpha Echo Charlie, who has created the Gpredict software, which is a real-time satellite tracking and orbit prediction application. It can track a large number of satellites and display their positions and many more information. You can also control the radio as well as rotator with Gpredict. Gpredict is a free software under the GNU General Public License. That means you can use and modify Gpredict to suit your needs. It's available from SourceForge package as well as binaries. I am going to Gpredict download page. Let us see. And this is the page which comes. We can download from either GitHub or SourceForge. SourceForge is one place where we get other software also. Let me try that. Long back I used to use several downloads from there. Let us see. Gpredict files on SourceForge. You can download the Win32 version. I've been told that it will also work on 64-bit computers. I have brought the Gpredict zip file which was downloaded to the desktop. Now I am going to extract it. Takes a little bit of time to extract. Now it's 48%, 52, 53, 55. I think it should come very fast. It is 76%. $88, 91, 92. Oh, it's complete. So this is the Gpredict folder. And there's a gpredict.exe. So when I opened gpredict.exe, the Gpredict window has come over here. I'll resize it. And you can see satellites there. There should be the sample setup because I have not set any grid or anything. You can see that it is shown as Copenhagen, Denmark. That's the place of the author. Here there's a nice polar map showing AO85 going on here. And in the world map, AO91, ISS, SO50, FO29, AO73, and AO85 are seen. Now I'll update TLE data from network. I hope it will fetching TLE from celistrack.com NORAD elements slide. So satellites updated 330, skip 0, missing satellites 649, new satellites 614. That's a large number. Now let me see going into the preferences. Now in the preferences, time format is there. You can use geographical coordinates. Now it is Copenhagen. Add new. I'll type in my call sign U2JO, and the location I'll try with grid locator. So when I typed in the grid locator, automatically the latitude and longitude has come there. So I'll click OK. So this has come here. And what I am going to do is I'll delete this one and press OK. It has not changed here. I'll try closing and restarting. That's what I do when there's a problem. Now it has come. You can see it is showing VU2JO, and none of the satellites are seen in this polar map, but there are a few satellites seen here. ISS location is shown, SO50, AO91, F429, AO85. Currently, this is the amateur module, and a few satellites are being monitored. And this is my location seen on the world map. I want to change the list of satellites. I'll go to the menu and configure. So there is a list of amateur satellites coming up, and I'll remove AO73 because I don't know that satellite. AO85 also I'll remove. F4 is not seen in this region. I have not seen it. And then I'll just see which all satellites I can check. It's in alphabetical order. None of these are familiar to me. So huge list. I'm just going through to see if there are any which are of interest to me. Maybe I like to search rather than browse. You see Tavel. The Tavels are all gone, so there is no point in using them. I'll check JO97. That is I'll add it. RS44 that I'll add. Those two are linear satellites. I have never tried linear satellites because my setup was not for that. Now I have an RTL SDR and I am planning to see whether I can hear anything with RTL SDR. So I want to track them. JO97 is also a linear satellite. RS44 is linear. SO50 is FM satellite. AO91 occasionally works, but I'm not very sure these days. The main one is ISSR, International Space Station. AIDS also is not there. Now you can see that the display has changed. ISS is seen here, R44, SO50, JO97. When the satellite is in range, the polar map will come here where it is going on. You can see that it is listed as JO97 is the next one due in another 33 minutes.